Sometimes, you don't need to change your whole life. Just make one better choice, and let that choice change your day. He thought today would be another bad day. He woke up already expecting everything to go wrong.
And then, his shoelace came undone.
For a moment, he wanted to turn around and go home. He stopped. He decided he could choose how his day began.
A few minutes later, he saw someone drop their books.
He stopped and gave a little help.
Those two simple words changed his mood.
For the first time that morning, something felt different. Something felt different. Then he noticed someone sitting alone with an empty cup. He only had one coin. He could keep it, or he could give it away. Or he could give it away. He gave it away. And somehow, he felt richer.
That evening, another challenge was waiting for him.
But he remembered his choice from that morning.
That evening, another challenge was waiting for him. He failed once, but this time he tried again.
He was tired. He was frustrated. And quitting felt easier. But sometimes, the smallest choice is simply choosing to try one more time.
And finally, he did it.
Then he realized something important. The day itself had not changed.
Sometimes you don't need to change your whole life. Just make one better choice, and let that choice change your day.